Hey, what's up, guys? We're here at Apple Store Central World, and let's talk about the trade-in.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're here at Apple Store Central World, and let's talk about the trade-in. So this is the Apple trade-in upgrade scheme, and it says here that you would receive from 5,000 to 19,200 trade-in value. But what it's all about? Actually, for the trade-in value, for example, for iPhone 11, you would receive a maximum amount of 5,000 baht, and if you have a problem with the battery of your phone, don't bother to repair as long as your phone is powering up, switching on and off properly. Even if the battery is actually fully drained and needs maintenance or replacement, don't bother to replace, because 100% battery health or 70% battery health or needs replacement, the amount of trade-in value won't change. You will still receive 5,000 baht if your memory is actually 64 gigabyte. And if your memory is 128 gigabyte or 512 gigabyte, it doesn't matter, because the changes of the amount is just very minimal. The change is very minimal. You would receive, example, for iPhone 11, 64 gigabyte with very poor battery, you would receive 5,000 baht gift card. And if your battery is very healthy and your memory is 128 gigabyte, you would only receive 5,200 baht. If your phone is 512 gigabyte, good battery, you would receive 5,400 baht only. So if your memory is 64 gigabyte, you have a very good chance to get the most value for trade-in, because whether your battery is poor, your memory is low, you would receive at least or at most 5,000 baht. And if your phone is 512 gigabyte, you'd only receive maximum 5,400 baht, which is very low trade-in value. I hope this information helps a lot. Peace.